What's up, everybody? I'm back. All right. I'm just gonna continue where I left off. But before that, this is what I'm listening to. Beethoven. You know the classic musician, Ludwig van Beethoven or Beethoven. I don't know how you pronounce it. Okay, great. So, um, all right, cool. So this is the monitor that I'm working with. Okay. So in my last video, I was here. So this is not a tutorial or anything, but gee, someone's texting me. So yeah, now you guys know what I have in my earphones. Um, okay, so this guy's texting me saying that I shouldn't downplay what I'm building here. He says, um, um, what is it? Decentralization is a really big thing. It's a good thing. Don't downplay it. It could be the next thing that solves South Africa's digital problem, like South Africa, a lot of South African problems. Yeah, all that shenanigans. But I try to explain to him that this is just like a basic thing that I'm not really taking seriously. I mean, you cannot take this thing seriously. It's literally a blockchain built in JavaScript. And you know, so yeah. Okay, so what I wanted to do was work on the mind, Python, and the transaction. All right. If you remember, this is ugly. Let me get rid of that. In fact, I don't need this. Okay, so let's see. All right. Someone's texting me. Okay, no one's texting me. Um, hmm, interesting. I'm trying to find. Having coffee, by the way. Yeah, I'm having coffee at 9:30 p.m. I'm that guy. I'm looking for something here. I'm looking to let me see here. This is the server blockchain. Uh, this is the server blockchain repository. Basically, when I run dev, it starts up, and then these things. What are those things? I need to find those. I need to know what those things are because I had forgotten. But okay, index. I'm loading routes. Sorry, routes index. So routes index. I know this is broken because this is just this. So get all transaction in the controller. What did I do? Get all transactions. Is it get all transactions? Okay, here. So here I'm creating transactions. And then I'm getting all transactions. Wait, no. I'm creating transactions. So yeah, that's not okay. Okay. Um, Geez, I need to concentrate. All right, so I'm creating transactions. So I'm creating transactions, then that means that then I go to I'm basically looking for the console.log output that logs out the date. So for instance, um, this is the route. This is my controller. Sign transaction and add transaction. Then the transaction. So here's the transaction file. So it is add transaction and sign transaction. Uh, yeah, that it's in here. Okay, great. So here's the sign. Okay, so okay, okay. Sign transaction doesn't have any console.log okay output, but add transaction. Okay, those as add transaction client. Also the same thing. Okay. Forgot something. Okay. Yo, I hate it when my coffee's out. I need to go make another cup. No, I don't. No, I don't. Let me just. I hate it. Okay, let me just pause. We're back, boys. We're back. All right. Made coffee. Half a cup. I'm no doubt gonna regret the amount of caffeine intake that I'm taking in tonight. I'm gonna regret it in the morning, most if I already know it. Uh, but I'm doing it anyway, just like smokers, right? Well, yeah. Okay, I get it. All right. So there we go. Okay, no. Oh, is that create a transaction, right? So I just thought of something. Okay. All right. Everything's good. Um. Wait. Legit. I commented commented this all of this out, but um, I still get this. I don't understand. So is it not coming from this? Let me just make sure with that. And I can attest to what I'm doing because when I do run dev, I run a TypeScript compiler and I go into the dist folder and I run the actual JavaScript file. So okay, so that means that I'm not doing anything wrong in the package.json file in terms of running my project. So that means that I probably I'm the type of dude that doesn't want to have a lot of tabs open at the same time, like even my browser. I keep it minimal. Keep it minimal, bro. Anyway, but doesn't really prove anything because I don't have anything that I'm googling right now anyway. Um, right. So I'm running. Okay, no, I'm not running anything. Wait, I don't get it. Let me just do this. Just for security reasons and okay. Okay, so okay, let's just let's just I know. Alright, let's see, I'm on dev. What server started on this port, right? Yes. So okay, fine. Just go back there and I'm gonna let's do this. Uh, dev and alright. Now I see where the problem lies. So I uncommented this out, but I commented this. So this is the index of the controller. So it's in here somewhere. Well, not really this file because this file also has a bunch of infos in it. But yeah, I mean, but come on, Daniel, it's it has always been in there. A lot of people would say. Um, okay. So now let's see. Controller, I'm creating the transactions. So let me just block the making of transactions and run it again. Oh, okay. I've blocked making of transactions, but we still have this. I wonder where that comes from. I wonder where that comes from. That is very interesting. That is very interesting. Am I outputting something when I create a new blockchain? Wait. I feel like the song's on repeat. Uh, no. Let's find some new music to play. So in the blockchain, the constructor create Genesis block this get time formatted. Okay. Wait. We're creating the Genesis block get time formatted. It's called here, here, and here. But that's just the yes. So not quite sure. I mean, I'm done with the constructor, right? So it should be. Hmm. Well, I need to export something, right? Let me just node 2 equals that stuff. Okay. I'm not even sure that's gonna work because okay. Yo, I'm still having trouble using uh Windows 11 with the whole, saving of state, work, whatnot. I'm used to Ubuntu. I don't code on Windows, but didn't I change it to Node 2? Sheesh, I'm lost. Dude, I can't even remember what I was working on. Like that's how like brand new this whole project is to me. Where was I? I was in the controller, all the way up here. Okay, so Node 2. Okay, yes, I'm exporting Node 2, right? Oh, jeez. Okay. Wait. Wait. Okay. Anyway, what I'm trying to do anyway is not gonna, well, it might work, but I mean, I know what the problem is. So we have Node, yeah. So is I don't understand if Node is what is giving me problems in terms of the outputting of the the date. So when I'm creating this, I mean this is the chain. It's an array. Adding create. I'm calling create genesis block. So create it's just block. Okay, now I get it. But okay, now I'm in block. Now the constructor. I'm just calculating hash. Here's the function to calculate hash. I'm not console. Oh, except you see, like here's the constructor. Okay, I think I'm just gonna stop looking for this. I can't find. I can't find. I can't find what's in my own code. Okay. Yeah, I'm a bad programmer. Call me what you want. Yo, dude, like coding a project and then coming back to it months later is a bad thing. It's a bad decision to make for anyone. Okay, don't do it. Don't be like me. Be smart. Don't be like Daniel. Okay. Uh, okay. So okay. So I'm just gonna ignore that. So we have our server running. You know what? Let's try and make a transaction. Let's run everything and try and make a transaction. Cancel our block. Here's the controller. Just open up these transactions from here to here, right? Open up these transactions. And HTTP localhost. You guys can see that. A localhost 8034 is 8034 8033 8033. I'm gonna get is it get transactions? Is it routes? Okay, okay. Let's just do this and restart the server. Create transaction. Control the create transaction. What does it need? From address to address and an amount. Okay. Mm, okay. So, but I'm not creating a transaction. I want to get transaction. Get blockchain, get all transactions. So, route transactions. Okay, great. Just gonna pop that here. It's a get. Let's see, application JSON. Send. All right. Response is Oh, so there are no transactions. Oh, great. Oh, okay. Wait, there are no transactions? Wait, there are no transactions? Wait, there are no transactions? Perhaps we should try and create a transaction first and after that. But I don't understand. I thought we were creating transactions there. Um, transaction. Okay. Transaction, and in here we're gonna pass in. Let's see. From address to address and an amount, right? Yeah. Okay. I forgot about my keyboard. I'm using mechanical keyboard. Is different from the one I used to use. Uh, Basically, when you type an apostrophe, you need to type it twice. But if you type it once, it won't show the one apostrophe that you typed. It'll just not show anything until you type it the second time. Then it'll show. So yeah. From address, I forgot what from address. Sheesh, man. Okay. What is my address? Is this my private key? Wait, I have a private key. All right, yeah, I think this is my public key, right? And then I'm just gonna type Paul here. Then I'm gonna type 200 here. How am I supposed to do that? Listen, I don't remember how we do this. Okay. So it worked. Okay, so I created that. I'm gonna show transactions. Still no transaction. I'm very confused. Did my server not stop working or what? Oh God, dude, I'm so messed up. I don't even know. Oh, I need to mine the freaking transactions. I haven't mined them. So they're added, but they're not mined. Okay, now I get it. All right. No dot add transaction. Oh, this is okay. So this goes here, right, as you can see, and then we start the miner. Mine pending transactions by Paul. Okay, let's do this. All right, let me run that again. Right, so now I can get transactions, right? I forgot I had to mine them. There we go. So, all right, let's see. For some reason, we have an empty array at first, but okay. The second one is perhaps I should do this. So we have 1, 2, 3 transactions, rightfully so. Okay, wait. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Get transactions. So, like, okay, I made two requests. I made two requests. Um, so that's why we have two kind of like sections. First section, and then the second section. So okay, fine. Let's just work with this one. So one, two, three transactions. Yeah, of course. All right. It's just this. It's just basically this. I just want to see something. Uh, okay. Wait, what? Test block. Okay, okay. So I had written a test block. I had written this to make tests. So let's see. What does this do? We have a calculate hash function. We have a mine block function, which mines. Basically, this is your public address, and it sends a zero as a second parameter um, to the URL, to the API to mine. The zero represents that it doesn't have a solution, so it's trying to get all the information. Um, it gets the information and responds, places it on block, right? Because it's the block. Um, sets the difficulty, it logs the block, and it calculates the hash. And then once it thinks it has the answer, it sends it over to the API. But this time, it's the same URL, mine, but the first parameter is as usual, the public address, and the second one is the hash that it calculated, which is this. Uh, yeah, so test block.ts. That's lit. That's awesome. Yeah, okay. So I could actually run this. Um, yeah, so I could just cd into server blockchain, and then I can, oh man, this is, okay, yeah, I actually can. cd into dist, and let's cd into, I can node test block.js. I wonder if this is gonna run. Oh, yeah, and it does. It runs legit. It ran. Wait, let me do this. Wait. Oh my God, bro. I am like, oh my God. It's gonna take me at least 3 hours to relearn this entire project and actually understand what's going on here. Because I had, it's, dude, it's been 4 months since I worked on this. So there's a lot that's going on. There's a lot of things that are broken that I was like, oh yeah, I'll just fix this some other time, like maybe a day, like the next day, or in 4 days, or in a week's time, and maybe just work on other things and stuff. So there's a bunch of that all mashed up into this one project that, and I never really documented stuff. Well, I don't know if I really documented stuff. Um, well, I should have in issues, and I don't, right? I don't. I don't have issues. I kind of have anxiety now because I'm like, dude, how am I gonna fix everything? So From address is now. Oh, but if from address is now, it means that it's the blockchain that's actually making the transaction to this guy, and it's for 100 rand. And same here for 100 rand. Great. Uh, Wait, why am I making two? Why are they two transactions? Why did Paul mine twice? Is my question. I don't like how Paul mined twice. So I ran test block here, starts the miner, mining block, it mined, where did it finish? Why did it mine twice, dude? Block successfully mined. Okay, I'm confused. Okay. Wait, yo. So we run the application. Transaction have Transactions have been created and a block has been mined. After the block has been mined, there's a timestamp. Paul is mining the transactions. Here's the function. Okay. Um, yeah, block that mine block. Um, yeah, I don't know where the timestamps are coming from, but I think it's within like creating another transaction, the timestamp. So you see, get time formatted. Um, I don't know, but anyway, okay, anyway, let's see. Okay, so let's see. Our server is running, created transactions. So now I can test them out here by just refreshing this. So we have one, two, three transactions. So we can get Paul now to mine the rest of the transactions. So as you can see, I'm back. Wait. Oh, okay. Alright, so back here, I can basically run test block where Paul mines. Okay, so here is he mined one, so now there should be a 0, 1, 2, and 3. No, there's a 0, 1, 2. Oh, okay. So this is the first block, this is the second block, this is the third block. So I don't understand why there's a third block, because when I ran test, when I ran test block, I only ran it once, right? So if I run it once, whoever's mining this address um, is mining once, right? Mining. After that, it sends to the server, and that should basically be it. Wait, what? When a person is mining, that's so unnecessary to output all that junk to the screen. Uh, mine pending client, right? Um, oh, it's not client, right? Mine pending transactions. I'm actually not sure if Well, I can just check. Oh, it's client. It's using the API. So it's this function here that's being called in the blockchain file. Um, okay, so let me just check what exactly is being outputted. Ah, oh, I think I understand what's going on. I'm not sure though, but I think I understand why there are two, why it added, why it added two, wait, yes, why it added two new blocks instead of just one. Kind of interesting, but I'm not sure. What I think happened is the test file that I read here executed the mine, and when it executed the mine, um, it executed, and as you know, this is a client. It's kind of like it's calling the API, so it's a client mine. It's like a, a third party software mining, right? So basically, what that caused is whenever the third party mines the actual blockchain needs to validate that. And how that actually happens is yeah, how that actually happens is it comes here by the blockchain and it compares mine pending transactions client. It compares and it gets here, and then I think my application runs again. It says block successfully mined. Huh. Wait, what? Else let my mine await block dot mine block. So mine is mining, and I know what yours is. I output that to the console. These should be here. Yes, mining, block mined. Here's the block mined. Minus solution, minus solution. Oh, your solution and my solution, server solution. So they are being outputted. Server solution is this, and they are the same. So block has been successfully mined. And for whatever reason, there's a timestamp again. So anyway, if my mind is your mind, then send a output message. Otherwise, there's a wrong solution. Okay. Uh, these are not necessary. Okay, something. Let me see. There's something that's not necessary here. This. I don't need to show all the transactions again, right? Or it's the controller. No. No, it's probably the blockchain. These are necessary. This is okay. I'm not sure if it's okay. This is not necessary actually. This pending transactions array that result message reward close. I mean, I'm pushing the block. What am I pushing? Wait. Yeah. So I push to the block, but I'm not mining it again, right? So it shouldn't. Okay, I'm mining, right? Am I not mining? I'm mining. Oh, mine transactions client. Oh, here's where the problem is. So the problem is client, the client software is mining. Once it mines, the server needs to validate whether that mine is correct. And to do that, it also has to mine. So it mines. But the problem is when it mines now, it's also mining that one transaction, not one transaction, that one block. Wait, oh, I'm so confused. Okay, so the client software is mining, let's say it's mining two transactions. It mines those two transactions, right? Those two transactions are in a block, it mines that block. Boom. So there's an additional block that has been validated that is in the blockchain. However, it created another transaction. Wait, oh man, I'm so confused. I'm so confused in how the order goes. Okay, so let me just try and recap how the blockchain works. So a transaction is made, a transaction is made, a transaction is made. So when someone decides to mine it, there's a block. It's a block. Those three transactions are placed in a block. You mine it. So they are mined. They're sitting there. Oh, okay. So they are mined. They're sitting there. They get put on the blockchain. Fine. And then there's a transaction that needs to happen, and the transaction is the reward. So there's a pending transaction that has been made. It's sitting in an array. And then the block is sitting in the blockchain. There's one block in the blockchain now. Great. Um, so what essentially happens in this case is that the block, the client software, mines the block, the three transactions inside one block, puts it on the blockchain, and then it waits for its payment. But before anything, before that block can be put on the blockchain, my software needs to also mine. So when it mines, particularly here, uh, wait, what am I doing? Yeah, particularly here, let mine, oh wait, mine block. I'm also mining the block. So now mine block, and mine the blockchain. Mine block, mine block, mine block. I think this function is in the block. Here, mine block. Gosh. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, I can see what happens. Wait, bro. my- That's crazy. I can't put myself to understand exactly what's going on here. I can't bring myself to understand exactly what's going on here. Wow. Alright. I don't think getting back to this project would be as difficult as I thought. As this. I mean, I did. I mean, I do know that because we talking to the camera all the time. Helpful. There's a lot I need to uncover here. There's a lot I need to unravel. There's a lot I need to unravel. There's a lot I need to study through and play around with. I'm just gonna stop this video here. I'm just gonna make a 5 hour video. But if I am gonna make a 5 hour video trying to understand my code and play around with everything until I fully understand my code again, I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. Yeah. This video is already an hour long, so yeah, I'll just continue doing that tomorrow and see if I can sleep now. But it's been fun. It's been fun. I need to. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna understand all of this. I'm just gonna push like that. Um, how do I title this? Make small changes. So, yeah, push. Oh, yeah. So, all right, I'm just gonna, and also I need to understand why, and also I need to understand why there is only one. I mean, why the first item in the blockchain is now, like it's an empty array, not now, an empty array. I also need to find that out. But yeah, I'm gonna make this public because I mean I'm working on it all the time, so why not? Why not? Okay. But anyway, been fun, y'all. See you tomorrow.